Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to chat with Temu. Need a quick assistance while using Temu? Let me guide you on how to chat with Temu for help and inquiries. The first thing you're gonna do is to download the app if you haven't already, just by going to your Play Store and search for Temu, or App Store if you're using iPhone, and search for Temu and download it. Now once downloaded, log into your account using your account's credentials or registered email or even phone number. The second thing you want to do is to access the help section, and to do that, just click on the profile icon in the bottom middle, like this one right here, and after you sign in, make sure you sign in using your account. After you sign in, click on customer support. It's right next to the headset icon. Now on the website, look for the help or contact us option, usually at the bottom of the home page if you're using a computer. After that, initiate a chat in the help center by clicking on the live chat option. This will open a chat window where you can type your queries. It starts by selecting the topic closest to your issue, example orders, payment, deliveries, then type a detailed description of your questions or concern. Be clear and concise when you're describing your problem, and if needed, attach a screenshot or provide your order number to help the support team assist you faster. For less urgent inquiries, consider using Temu's email support options. And that's it for today's tutorial. That's how you chat with Temu. If you liked this video and found it helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next tutorial.